The cafeteria is located on the ground floor of the NASA building.
Library, please.
The library is on the ground floor of the NASA building.
Explain about friendship, please.
Friendship is a complex and multifaceted relationship characterized by mutual affection, respect, trust, and emotional support. It's a voluntary bond between two or more people, typically based on shared interests, values, or experiences. However, friendships aren't all the same. They vary widely in intensity, duration, and the role each person plays. Here are some key aspects.
Where is the gym?
The gym is on the ground floor basement of the NASA.
Cafeteria, please.
The cafeteria is on the ground floor of the NASA. Great. What can I help you with today?
Gym, please. Gym, please.
Few moments later.
The gym is located on the ground floor of the NASA building.
Nurse building, please.
Nurse building is a bit vague. To help me understand what you're looking for, can you clarify? Are you interested in asterisk, 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 building, asterisk, or asterisk nursing?